So we have the Inclino digital follow focus here from ViewFactor, and this is Impero Micro. And what we're going to do is give a quick demonstration of how this works. So you plug Impero into the Inclino module, and then you plug your power into Inclino. And what happens with this is you actually have a bus architecture on this, so you can run power into one Inclino and then power up two additional modules in addition to that first one. So when you first plug it in, it doesn't work at all, and then what you do is you hit your zero out button here, and it'll actually calibrate the lens, and it'll go to one extreme and then it'll go to the other, and once it has its limits, it'll actually limit you from accidentally going over travel on it. And this is a preliminary prototype, so we still have a little bit of work to do on it, but you can see that now it works. So Impero is actually talking to Inclino, and if I unplug this, you'll see that it doesn't move. So this is all real-time control. So you have very, very fine control on this. The other nice thing is that on Inclino, there's actually zero backlash on the gear. So if you look at your area follow focus, you'll notice that there's a small amount of backlash. On this, there's actually none. And you know, our encoder has some very fine control, so you can move very slowly, very fast. We still have to put some damping on this a little bit more, but for the most part, it moves very, very quickly. So that's the Impero and Inclino. Alright, so here's the first mock-up of our record start stop switch. I'll show you a quick operation. Basically, you plug it into the auxiliary port on the top, and that's the default to record start stop. If you do the bottom, it's a for time lapse, so it just does single frames. When you first plug it in, you get a green light. You hit the record button, and you'll see that it records here, and it shows that it's recording on the camera. Hit the button again, it blinks twice, and it stops recording. And the other nice thing is that when you hit record on the camera, it also goes on the box. So that's a quick rundown of the record start stop functionality.